Now that you've finished your cutting and preparation, it's time to get on with more fun stuff. So we're going to start with sewing your straps. Now to make your straps, you need to draw a line down the centre of each strap piece. You can use a fading marker or chalk, or in my case I'm using a Papermate correction pen. It's just liquid paper. That's because I've got a really dark cork backing, so I like to make sure I can see it, and this actually works pretty good to put a line on there that I can see. So you just need to draw, and you can get it flowing down the center of your strap. Then clip each strap. Helps if you have everything handy to start with. Clip each strap. Two pieces together, right sides together. Just clip them on each end. Then we'll go to the sewing machine. Taking your strap, stitch each short end using your normal seam allowance. I find it's okay to back tack a bit on cork. If you're using vinyls, I would tie those ends off rather than back tack. Snip your threads just to get rid of them out of the road. Finger press your seam allowances open and then top stitch down either side of your seam using a longer stitch for top stitching. I use 3.1. Oops, press the wrong button there. Get rid of all those thread ends. Now that you have your strap loops all stitched, then all you have to do is turn your vinyl, cork or whatever you've used into the center and match that raw edge to the line you drew and clip into place all the way around. You only just do the one side to start with, and then we pop over to the machine and stitch that. It just makes it so much easier and less fiddly to do only one side first. If I look awkward, it's because I'm trying to keep my fat head from out of the camera view. I really don't need people to see the top of my head, and I'm sure you don't really want to look at the top of my head. All the grey hairs that are creeping in there. I prefer to keep it out of the video as much as possible. Don't use pins because pin will mark your cork or your vinyl. That's where these wonder clips really work wonders, because they don't leave permanent marks in your vinyl. So once you've done that, repeat for the second strap and then we'll go to the machine. Now we're going to stitch 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters from the center line all the way around, using a, well, I'm using 3.1 for my top stitch as before. And just work your way around. If it's not quite lining up with your line, just finger press that into place. And work your way all the way around the strap loop. I like Cork, it's really easy to sew and it looks fantastic. And there you have it, and just repeat for your second strap. Now that you've stitched the first side on your 2 strap loops, we'll repeat for the second side. And it's just a matter of folding in so it meets in the middle, clip, work all your way around the strap as before, meeting in the middle. If you want to make a fabric strap for this bag, that's fine. If you're not sure how to make a fabric version of the strap, just hop onto my blog. You'll find instructions for making a basic fabric strap on there. www.chriswdesigns.com. Once you've done that, repeat for the second piece and then pop over to your machine and stitch it up. Once you have your straps stitched, we'll get rid of these tails. And then you fold together on that center bit there. And then go ahead and clip your strap together. I like to go to the other end and clip that. Just make sure everything's sitting nicely. Got some bigger clips in there. Once you have your strap all clipped, then we'll top stitch down the side. If you're using vinyl, I suggest you don't back tack, just tie your thread ends off and lose them inside the strap. You just do that with a needle and then poke it through. Once you've done one side, go ahead and do the other side. You don't need clips on the second side. It's not going anywhere. If your machine doesn't like that fat piece there, you can cover your work with a bit of old fabric and then give it a wallop with a hammer and flatten it out a bit, and then it'll stitch much easier. But there you have it. Repeat for your second strap.